Hey, welcome YouTube. Today we have these Cornelius Viper slurper machines. They're the Viper E4s that we gotta bricks and get the product right. This middle one here, we're gonna have to change, replace this board. It's called a PCBA board, which is in the back of the machine. I got one slid over already, so we're gonna slide this one over so I can get to the back. We'll get that board replaced so that these two barrels will fill and auto fill, and then we'll get the bricks checked and get these units back up. Okay, got the side panel off. You can see this is the side of it. And regulator, expansion tanks, modules, but our board is right here, so we're going to get that out and get the board changed. Alright, there's the old board. So, get this out and get the new one in. Alright, got the new one installed. Plug back up. There's the old one. Get some power on it. Test the fill. Make sure those barrels fill. And then we're gonna start brixing them and get these machines back on. Okay, got power back on the machines. So we're gonna go into the maintenance, barrel maintenance, and see if that'll fill. Solenoid wasn't opening, so hopefully it is. So we're good. So now we're gonna get the bricks checked and just make sure barrel 2 is filling. And it is. All right, so like I said, we're gonna get this back in position and then start checking the bricks on the 3 machines, 12 barrels. All right, got it back in position. So now we're gonna check the bricks in each barrel, which is pretty easy. You go to menu and you're gonna go to barrel maintenance. I'm sorry. You're gonna go to bricks setup. And they'll go out 4 barrels. We're gonna start with barrel 1. Each one has valves and tubes underneath. These are your bricks and tubes, and your adjustments are down there right here on each one. So we don't want the barrel, so we're going to turn this to bricks, get it to flow out the tube, get a cup, pour some in, and we'll check it with a refractometer. All right, so this first one read low, reading on the refractometer, and we need to turn it up just a little bit. So get a screwdriver. And we'll turn it just a little bit. We'll recheck it and want them to be between 13.5 to 15. That's where we're shooting for the mix to be at. That'll be in the barrel. We'll check all of these. If these are wrong, we'll drain these two out get it right, then fill them back up. All right, got the machines all back up and running. As you can see, got them all brixed. All the flavors are back up. Like I said, I had to replace the PCBA board on these units. This middle one here, it's working now, auto filling. Got this one back up. Had to re-brix all of them, drain the barrels, re-brix them. Like I say, the bricks on these should be about 13.5 to 15. So with that, they got their Slurpees back. So y'all come on down and get a Slurpee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.